Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist. RJO Futures, it's downtown Chicago here. We're here to talk to you about the grain markets. The Dow Jones is down 900 points this morning, so not a lot of good things happen in commodity markets when our Dow Jones is down 900 points. So we'll get through this. We're a great country, and 100 years ago, 1919, we had the influenza flu breakout, and it just stymied U.S. economic growth. And then we had the roaring 20s, one of the greatest decades in the history of our great country, just super growth in the 1920s. So I'm thinking we're going to get through this virus, and there are going to be a lot of demand-driven rallies here in these commodity markets. So let's talk about the fundamentals of the grains here. USDA has U.S. corn export sales to Japan this morning. That's a real positive here. Japan and the new trade agreement, they're going to be buying a lot of U.S. agriculture from us, so that's a real positive. And I think you need to see the Chinese buying U.S. agriculture to get the green light for higher prices in our grain market. China's buying U.S. sorghum last week. They're buying U.S. sorghum this week. Maybe that's a telltale sign here that they're going to pick up on agricultural purchases. The soybean market, the next chart, you can see the overnight highs right around $9. If we can get above $9 and close above there, that'd be something in the short term. China buying a lot of soybean from Brazil, and we just need China buying U.S. soybeans here would be a perfect antidote to push us above 9 and keep us above there. It's really wet out there. They're planting corn in Texas. They're about 20% planted in corn. Louisiana's real wet. The parishes down there, they're just itching to get in the field and plant corn. So this mix of U.S. soybean and U.S. corn and what the farmer's going to plant, we'll see about all that. As we get into April, the weather's going to be really important here driving our markets. Back to corn a little bit, the basis is real strong, trying to get the U.S. farmer to sell corn, and they're not doing it. And I think this sets up for a bullish corn stocks report here later in the month, March 31st. So I'm going to keep talking about that. Okay, and then lastly, the chart of wheat here. You can see about that. Seems to be holding in here pretty good. And a lot of times wheat goes up, and that helps corn go up. So we'll look for that to happen. And, yesterday the Dow Jones very nervous, down over 900 points, and wheat was higher. I just wonder if that means anything. Let's all have an excellent weekend.